Let us write an algorithm to display even numbers up to 10. Of course, we are going to use while loop here. We know already even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2. And even numbers will start from 2, of course. So the first even number you can take as 2 in the positive range, 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10. So these are the even numbers up to 10 in the positive range. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the numbers we are supposed to generate. So what is the logic behind this? Step number 1, start. Step number 2, I need not give any input to my computer. Why? Because the problem is clear. We have to start from 2 and we have to end at 10. So it is clear already. So what I am doing is here, I have to take a variable like x and store the first number which you want to display. So that is x is equal to 2. That means 2 is the first number I want to display. So first let me store 2 into this variable x. Now in step number 3, what I do is I will display x. That means it will display 2. That means the first even number is displayed. After that, I want the next even number, that is 4. So how can I get the next even number? I can write like this, x plus 2, I am adding 2 to x. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. That 4 I am storing into x. So x value is 4. Now print x means 4. 4 plus 2, 6. That 6 I am storing into x. So print 6. 6 plus 2, 8 I am storing into x. So go back and display 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 I am storing into x. Go back and display 10. So these two statements I have to repeatedly execute. That means I have to write these two statements inside a loop. Here we are using a while loop. So okay, while condition, then do means execute these two statements as long as this condition is true. And fourth step is of course stop. Now the next question is, how can we write this condition? How can we write this condition? So writing the condition will have some confusion sometimes. Here already the starting value of x is 2. Ending value is 10. So starting value 2 is clear. This condition we have to use to terminate the while loop. That means the ending value of x 10, that is important. I am displaying x values inside the while loop, but up to what I have to display this x value? Up to 10 only. So here you will have three conditions. X less than 10 is one condition. X is equal to 10 is another condition. X greater than 10 is another condition. In these conditions, whatever you want, you take them. Whatever you don't want, don't take it. For example, if x value less than 10, do you want it or not? Yes, x value less than 10 means I want to display 2, then I want to display 4, I want to display 6. These are all less than 10 only. So I want this. I want to display, if x value less than 10, I want to display. Similarly, if x value is equal to 10, do you want it or not? Yes, I want to display 10 also. So x value is equal to 10, I want it. If x value greater than 10, do you want to display the even numbers? No. Beyond 10, I don't want to display the even numbers. So this condition I don't want. So what I want is, I want these two conditions only. X value less than or equal to 10. So the condition I should write is x less than or equal to 10. So this condition I have to write here in this place. So x less than or equal to 10. So this is the condition I have to write. So as long as x value less than or equal to 10, continue these two statements. That means print x, increment x by 2. So that the next even number you will get increment x by 2. Then only you will get the next even number. Yes. Once x value greater than 10, you have to stop. Why? Because x greater than 10 means this condition becomes false. Then you will come out of the while loop and stop. Stop means your program will stop. So this is the algorithm. Now I want to convert this algorithm into a Python program. So let me open Python IDLE and here file, new file. So here I want to type my program. Comment line I am typing here, aim of the program you can type. So to display even numbers up to 10. The second step in the algorithm is x is equal to 2. The third step is while x less than or equal to 10 colon. You know in Python after writing the condition you have to put colon. Colon represents the beginning of the body. That means after colon I have to write the body of while loop. In the body I have to display x value using a print function. So print x and then you increment x value by 2, that is x is equal to x plus 2. This same thing I can write as x plus is equal to 2. So this is known as shortcut notation or compact notation. But this is an expanded notation, x is equal to x plus 2. That's it. This is our program. Now file save. I am saving my program as say demo. In E drive I am saving my program in E by the name demo. Save it. Yes. And run module. It will display the numbers, even numbers up to 10 only. Suppose I want to modify this program such that I want to display even numbers up to 100. That means I have to start from 2, then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 like this up to 100 I want even numbers. What I have to do? Same logic because you already built the logic. You need not worry. Same logic, you need not change anything. Only the condition will change. As long as x value less than or equal to 100, you continue this while loop. That's what you have to say because you want even numbers up to 100. So this is a program to display the even numbers up to 100. As long as x less than or equal to 100, display x and increment x by 2. So run module. You will see the numbers, even numbers displayed up to 100. You will see here. Observe this. So it has started from 2, 2, 4, 6, 8 like this and it has gone up to 100, 98 and 100. So these are the even numbers up to 100.